right, what up, y'all? Hey, y'all saw that intro, so y'all gonna see how we take it from what it looked like on that intro to then I'm gonna snap my fingers just like that, and then it's gonna look totally different. So y'all about to see what happened. Who just got here, so he don't know. But here we go.
There we go.
Alright, y'all. As y'all can clearly see, look, no description, something fell up off of there. I don't know what the hell it is, but we're gonna open it up, and if it fit on this bike, it's going on today. So,
What you got, man?
man, I don't know. I don't know. I'm telling you, man. I got friends that work in delivery business. That's
Oh,
what
that
I
what
got.
it is?
Yes, sir. They be looking out for a friend, man. So, I'll open it up. All right, so we ain't got much up in here. We got some good packaging.
That's good. Always good.
Yeah.
Got a lot of
Okay.
stickers.
A lot of stickers. I don't know. We'll find somewhere. We'll add them on somewhere.
Toolbox somewhere.
Yep. And then,
Trask.
yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I don't know what that is. So, we're going to open it up, y'all. I don't know.
Man.
It looks nice, though.
Somebody spent.
We're going to see what this is. Nice and easy with the old trusty knife. Okay. What is that? Oh, no. Oh, shit. We got a new air cleaner. Oh, yeah. That's going to look nice.
I wonder how long you're going to go with that stock.
Yeah. So, we're going to see. Hey, we're going to figure out how to put it on the 2025, you know. We're going to get this old baby up off of here. We're going to put this new baby on here. So stay with us. All right, you can hit pause. All right, y'all. So first, we're going to go ahead and remove our stock air breather off. Just a 3/16 here, Allen. Just going to go ahead and break this. I kind of cracked it earlier. I just want to see. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. Yep. And once again, if anybody's looking for a stock breather, holla at me. Guys doing things 217@gmail.com. Yep. So we'll take this off. Okay, so, okay. So this big old thing is really
In the way.
in the way. That's just in the way. All right, y'all. So first, like I said, we removed the cover. Now we're gonna take off our filter. So this is basically just on here. It just slides up. Kind of gently pull it off. It's got a little grease on it to help it slide on there. And then that just comes out just like that. Then we have in here, let me see that camera. You have two 9/16. You have one here and you have one here. Yep, so we're gonna remove those. All right, y'all, I showed y'all where the two bolts are on there. So I'm gonna use an extension, 9/16 socket. We'll get these taken off. Okay, now we got those out.
So you got them two black.
Oh, we still got two right here.
Yeah, in the center.
Little Torx bits. So we'll get those off. All right, y'all. So I got the T27 Torx bit, an extension on here to take off two more bolts. And then this breather cover should come off. Let's see here. Okay, yep. So they're not extremely long, but they do have a little Loctite on it. Oh, there was that UPS, y'all. There he was.
Looking for that fell off the truck.
I was hoping to see if he had that back door open, but he damn it. Take it out with your hand. Now, let's see if this comes off. What else could be holding it on?
Up top. Top up here.
Oh, we got one more. Hey, so there's another one right there. Get out of here. We figuring it out, y'all. Oh, no. Nope, we're not gonna do that one. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. All right, y'all. So this bolt at the very top, that's another T27. So you have 2 down above the throttle body, and then you have 1 on the top here. So get you a nice, I got a nice T27, like long extension one. So I recommend that. Don't try to, because you don't want to scratch your tank. And then get that break that loose. And then I'm just gonna, I'm not even ratcheting, I'm just using my hand. Loosen that up. It looks like it's out. Then this should come off finally. It's connected to one
hose.
Okay, so it's got a little vacuum hose here. All right, let me get this out of here. Now let's see how this vacuum hose is on here. Looks like it's just okay. All right, just like that. Yep, and that just comes off. You just pull it off. Yep, it's got a little nipple on there. So, like I said, if anybody wants stock Harley Davidson Road Glide air tape, this doesn't even have 500 miles on it. I got you. Just hit me in the guys doing things 217@gmail.com. All right, y'all. So now, as y'all see, we got the stock intake off. So now we're gonna start putting the aftermarket on. So first, we're gonna put the air hose on here. It's got the adapter that goes here on the top. Put a little blue Loctite on there. Make sure you hand start that. Do not cross thread that. Yep. And then I'm gonna get it. All right, so I'm using a 12 millimeter wrench just to tighten this breather on. All right. That's obviously not the right one. All right, so once we got that on here, all right, we're gonna go ahead and your air hose right here. You're gonna go ahead and put that on here and get that locked all the way fully seated like that. And then this will go pretty much just like that. Yeah, you'll have to kind of maneuver your air hose, but it'll go just like that. Once we get it done, we'll put one bolt here, 1, 2, and then our air intakes will go right there. And then we have 2 more here. Yep. So we have 3 small Allen bolts here, and then we have our big bolts that go here. All right. So, all right. Okay. So now, y'all, we have 3 3/16 here, and then we have 2 1/4-inch Allen bolts. So we're just gonna go ahead and cinch these down. We've already put blue Loctite on them. You can't put red. I mean, but just, if you're gonna need to take these out, I wouldn't recommend that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just snug these up. You don't need to be super tight on these. The Loctite's gonna do what it's supposed to do. And then just snug those up. And then we're gonna go ahead and snug our 1/4-inch right here up. Got blue Loctite on these also. We're just gonna go ahead and snug those. And then, boom. So next, what we have to do is, this came all together. So this was kind of in here like this. So it actually has magnets. There's a magnet here and a magnet there. What holds this on? You have magnet. So it's pretty straightforward on how that goes on there, just like that. It's pretty slick. So you pop that out. I put a gasket on it, came with the gasket. Put the gasket on here. And then this is basically gonna go on here upside down. Yeah, like that. It's gonna go on here like that. Hey, I told y'all I'm not a mechanic, but I figure shit out. so now I'm gonna grab my little 3/16. There you go. The 3/16. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this plate back on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolt through here to get it started, and then line that bolt up. Just like that to get it started. Don't cinch them down. Just go ahead and get it started.
And get all 3 of them in.
Yep. Get all 3 of them in. Yep. Just like that. We'll go ahead and get that in there. Yep. And we close. And now I'm gonna give it a nice snug. That's my guy from Sick Baggers. Give it a Ugga Doug. You know, big shout out to him. Now, let's snug this up. Give it a nice torque there. Boom. Now, like I said, this has 2 magnets. All we're gonna do is just get the flat piece on the top. It should match just like the flat piece on the top here, 2 magnets. Okay. So now we're just gonna do is slap that in there, just like that with the gasket.
Wow.
Boom. All right, we almost there. What Ocho Cinco say? Stay with me now, baby. Stay with me. So obviously it don't go like that because that's upside down.
Yeah.
So it's gonna go like this, right side up. Oh man, that's gonna look good. That is gonna look good, baby.
This show is pretty.
They should have never gave. Watch
What
your
Tommy
mouth.
say? What Tommy say?
All right, y'all. So we hit the grand finale now. So we got the cover. Make sure you got the Trask at the bottom. All right. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna push this into the plate and then install our locking arms, and then man, that's it. We can fire this baby up. Make sure she start. So you just want to make sure you line it up nice and good because you want that Trask at the bottom. And then all you do, you take your arm here, all right, you lock it in behind here, and then it's just gonna go right there, just like that. And then I'm gonna take one of my little bolts here. A little awkward, but it's not hard. Yep, and then just kind of get it started. Just like that, and leave it alone. And then all we're gonna do is repeat the process for 2 more arms. And then, man, we done. All right. Boom. All right. Just like that, we got a new air intake. All right, so as y'all can see, I did not put Loctite on those. I mean, you can if you want. I'm not putting that on there. Yep, got the logo at the bottom. I like it. I like that nice bright red air filter. So, yeah. So now, we'll go ahead and start it up and see what happens. All right, y'all. So as you can see, we got the breather on. It's looking good. I got some ideas on some things I want to do different on that breather. But y'all gonna have to stay tuned to see that. So right now, we're just gonna start it up, man. First time with the new breather. So we'll see. Oh yeah, so we still have the code to clear from last time we put the bars on, but other than that, she started up just fine, man. No issues, no backfires, so looking good, man. All right, I told y'all, Ghost is coming together. I told you, follow this journey, man. This is just the beginning, man. Working on Ghost, we got some stuff in the works. Stick to the channel, man. Hey, like I've been telling everybody in emails and everything else, this is gonna be the year of guys doing things, our first annual ride. So stay tuned to the channel. We're gonna make sure that happens this summer. We wanna meet everybody. We wanna get out and have some fun on these open roads.
Yes, sir.
But if you haven't already, man, if you didn't watch this whole video, if you liked it, man, leave a thumbs up, please. We love to keep growing the channel. So hit that subscribe button and comments. Oh man, you already know.
Always.
All right. And until next time, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.